Good evening, sir.
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 Good evening, everyone.
Sir, today you will explain Aaron's formula.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Today we are going
Good
to start
evening,
a
sir.
new chapter called Heron's Formula. Yes. So we'll start with that. Uh, please do wait for a few minutes. Your friends has to join. So as soon as they join, we'll start. And please try to revise the formulas of triangles and concept of triangles. Come on. Yes, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
evening, sir.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Fine, sir. How about you, sir?
Doing good. Yes, do you know?
Sir, India is batting well. Sir, again, one.
Yay.
The Indian hockey team lost semifinals.
Yes, we lost in
Yes,
semi-final.
sir. Silver medal. Sir, one number got silver medal in Tokyo.
Yeah, just now we got a silver in.
Yeah, sir. PV Sindhu also lost, but she got a grand welcome, sir, to Hyderabad.
So after even losing, her mother was so happy.
Everyone turn on your cameras first. Yes.
Yeah, but PV Sindhu got a grand welcome to Hyderabad.
Yes. And we got silver in wrestling as well.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Chalo, let's get started now. Today we are going to start with the heroine's formula, which is very important and easy chapter. Is that clear? Chalo, now everyone turn on your camera first. Let me tell you that one thing.
Sir, I missed the last class. What did you teach in the last class?
It was doubt session. I just clearly mentioned, Sujay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
It was doubt session, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Why did you miss me? I know that.
Sir, I was having internet issues, and when I got the internet, I forgot about it.
See, one thing you have to take care of the case, whoever absent for today's class, for on regular basis, you just drop me a message that was the reason behind absent, bunking the class. Clear? Aditi, turn on your camera. Akshit, Devas. I do not want to take your names, please. Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera first.
Camera is on.
I can't see anyone.
Yeah, even I cannot see her. A black screen is on.
Okay.
I will turn off and again and on.
Sorry.
So I've joined from another device. Can you see my camera now?
I didn't get you.
So can you see my video now? I've joined
No. I can't see. Krishna Chaitanya, Sai, Akshit, Nitya, Pranav, Jivika. I can't see these guys.
It's black still.
Yes.
Sir, you are having network issues, sir.
Not sure. Okay. Yes, Nitya, how are you doing? Nitya, how are you doing?
I'm good, sir.
Sorry?
I'm good, sir.
I can't hear you.
Yeah. Sir, you are on mute.
Yes. Yes, Nitya. Can you hear me now? Chalo. Now we are going to start with the Heron's formula. Let us have a look at our class syllabus. One second, let me show you.
Why again?
Mm. See, the single class.
Sir, I think Erasmus formula can complete today only, sir, because it is easy. It can complete easily.
One second. Look at this.
We are pending with only errands formula and statistics.
Look at this here.
Yes, sir, we are seeing.
Heron's formula. Area of triangle using Heron's formula without proof. This is the only thing which has been included in your syllabus, which means we shouldn't go for anything apart from this. So let us go with this. This is a one class chapter. So let us start today and let us wind it up today itself. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Then tomorrow statistics, it will be
Yes, sir.
complete, sir. Post.
Yes.
So sir, we are doing statistics now.
No, we are going with this Heron's formula. So as soon as we go with all these chapters, after that we'll have a revision classes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
More quizzes.
One second.
The quizzes also will be necessary.
Sir, students also can prepare their own quizzes and conduct in the class, sir. Actually,
Sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, that is.
Yes,
is it
sir.
so?
Our school will do, sir.
I think you also have an option to create your own quiz, sir.
Okay. That's great.
Any one of the student can take the initiation and conduct the quiz, sir.
Yeah, that is great. So then shall we do like that?
Yes, sir, we can.
Are you ready to do that then?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Sir, we
Everything
can
is
do,
fine.
sir. But one disadvantage is we cannot frame a proper.
So, but if any student makes it,
Framing the problem doesn't matter.
It's their own, sir.
Yes, you can just create in your own way. Let us see how many of you are going to the how depth you guys are preparing the questions and how depth you are testing yourself. Like we'll have a friendly quiz among yourself, and you take everyone you should take as the initiation, and every day you should prepare minimum 10 questions, not more than the 10 questions. Let us have only 10 questions, not more than that. I'm not going to conduct the quizzes for not more than 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes you'll invest on quizzes so that you can improve your accuracy as well. All right.
Yes,
so
sir.
Like,
but
can we
how
do
about the
questions in
models,
class
sir?
like earlier? Like used to display some questions, we used to answer like that. Can we do that also?
Yeah, quizzes, as Harini said that where could we apply that? I didn't try that, but Harini is saying the first time I'm hearing that.
No, sir. Like earlier, you used to like display a question on your screen, right? And then we used to solve it and used to explain it on the spot like that.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
that way is.
No.
So, but
What
that way, everyone is not getting a chance to answer.
Yes,
It's
sir,
only
that way
Yeah.
is not good.
Yeah, true. That is there. No, actually, Harini, I'm asking you that. Is there any option called? Like uploading the PDF which you have created as a quiz?
Sir, in the quizzes, sir.
That is what I'm asking. In the
There is
quizzes.
an option. Yes, sir. There is an option.
Yeah, if you have an option, then you can upload it over there. So as soon as you upload, you just let me know that. I'll take over it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what? One second. I'll take over it. So what we do is, I'll just go through that. I'll show you. I'll share the screen. I'll show you, and everyone can just Can we is that Google Doc, something like that? So can we create an options and can we create questions as well?
Yes.
Do we need to type or we have to create as a PDF then upload it over there direct
We
PDF?
need to type, sir. If you wish to, for your question, better understanding, you can just upload a PDF for that particular question. But you have to type.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to type. For
If
everything,
I-
you have to type.
It is
Yes.
it is same as quizzes. Like in the quizzes also we can write the questions, sir. Actually.
Okay, understood. So we can type, and we can just we can type the question as well as options. So that is the option.
I think
And I'm asking that do we have
an
an option called uploading a PDF?
Sir, we should type and upload the PDF, sir. There is no way to.
Also, for particular question only, you can do it. Like you can add an image or a video.
Okay,
like that.
understood. Then daily 5 questions is enough. 5 questions is enough. 5 questions, 2.5 minutes. Is that clear? So daily 5
Yes.
questions, so that we can just get many questions. Daily we are having, so that is not an issue. So let us not go for many questions. So which is which might bore, like which might give you somewhat boring as well. Like few of you might feel bored. So let us have only 5 questions on regular basis. So that 5 questions. 5 questions. So if you practice on a single chapter for 10 days, so 50 questions we can practice like that, isn't it?
Yes.
So 50 questions on a single chapter, I don't think so. Like you need to solve more than 50 questions for getting into that chapter. So that is more than enough. Is that clear? So who is gonna create 5 questions tomorrow? Let us see. You just create the questions which you are not good at. Let us say that, first of all, Sujay is asking a couple of doubts. He'll create the questions which is not good at. You understand? So that we can come up with that. We can come up with your the area which you are lacking with. You understand? So now first let us say Toshnika create the questions on the area which she is lacking with. You understand?
Any
let us-
chapter from
Yes, not any chapter. Not any chapter. Let us go one by one. You cannot create on any chapter. Let us go one by one. So like recently we have done with the triangles. So let us go with, like, you guys might be having a good command on triangles. So let us create 5 questions on triangles. You understand? Any 5 questions. But it should be somewhat like easy to moderate, not that much difficult. So I'm giving only 5 minutes of time. But no, you have to be honest to yourself. You cannot copy the answers and immediately you cannot finish within 10 seconds of time and just I'm done with the answer. You cannot say that. So you have to be honest. You create the quiz without knowing the answer. You should not know the answer. You just take the question, only questions. You should not look at the answers. Is that
So
clear?
if we have to make the questions, then we obviously know the answers, right? If we have to take the question somewhere, then we don't know the answer.
That is what I'm telling. That is what you have to make a questions where you do not have answer.
Okay,
Understand?
so wherever we're facing difficulty, we have to
Huh.
make the questions based on them.
You should not look at the answer. You just
Okay.
you just choose the questions. You choose the topic. Let us say you choose the topic like properties of triangle. Let us say that you are not good at properties of triangle. You just take any 5 questions, random 5 questions which doesn't have answer. I mean, which doesn't show the answer in front of you. You shouldn't you should not go for the answers page and then look at that, mark it, and just attempt the quiz. It is not the case. That is not going to be happen. All right, you should not do that. You just create any 5 questions which you do not have an option for looking at the answers. All right, so you create 5 questions without looking at the answers. Every day one member, every day one guy, or every day one student has to create a quiz. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes. So
So,
tell
so
me, who is
tomorrow
going to
who
take it
will
up tomorrow? Who is going to take it up tomorrow? Anyone? Everyone will get an option. Don't worry. Yes, tell me. So what is your class strength? 22, right? 20,
Actually, people are not present in here. It's actually 27.
27. See, we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Two members, like 2 students at a time, has to create a quiz. So that might be good actually. Why? Because 23 into 5, we cannot create more than 115 questions. Like it takes time to finish a chapter. So let us do one thing. Or yeah, no problem. Like one member create on triangles and another student will create on another chapter. So that is also fine. But on a single chapter, everyone should uh, come up with your questions. So that's what I felt actually. But do you want to create 2 members as 5 questions, like 6 questions probably, 3 questions? Is that fine with everyone?
So,
Yes.
sir, one person is going to create 5 questions like each. So, if 2 people, then it's going to be 10 questions totally.
No, not like that. 6 questions, which means 3. Daily 6 questions.
Okay. Okay, sir, got that.
So let us come up like that. So daily 6 questions. So tomorrow, who is going to create? 2 members. Any one of you.
Sir,
Yes,
may I
Toshnika.
try?
Yes, Toshnika and Kaji. You just come up. You just communicate each other. Either of you just make 6 questions. 3 Kaji and 3 Toshnika. Is that clear? And next day, and someone is going to prepare. Is that clear? All right.
Yes.
You
Yes, sir.
understand? All right. So everyone will get chance. Everyone will get chance. Don't worry. Sir is giving a chance to some, some students. Sir is not giving chance to others. It's not the case. So everyone will get a chance. So everyone can prepare the questions, and you come up with your questions so that we can, have a quiz on daily basis. Clear? But you have to be so perfect in that. So you cannot see the reason behind asking you to create questions is not for troubling you guys, for knowing the areas where you are lacking with, so that you can, if you prepare the questions, so that I also can understand, oh, this is the area students are lacking with. Is that clear? So I can come up with that idea, so I can put up in front of the management as well. I could, in revision classes, we can have more revision on that particular concept. You understand my intention? You understand what I'm trying to say actually? You understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the main intention, not for troubling you, not like, I cannot create, sir cannot create the quiz, and sir, sir is not creating the quiz, and sir is asking us to create. So don't, don't complain like that. So that is not the case, but this is the main intention, to know the areas which you are lacking with. Clear? Which you are not good at, so that I can understand the areas which you are not good at. So I can also prepare questions accordingly in your exams. So I'll be giving the questions. I'll be giving the questions from the topics whichever you have chosen for your quizzes. Clear? You understand?
Yes,
So I'll
sir.
be giving more questions based upon that, so that you will get such a lot of practice on that particular topic. If you get a practice on that, what will happen is you will perform well in your final exam. So these exams, whatever the exams which you are going through in a regular basis, those are not important. Those are not your deciding, isn't it? So those are not like your deciding stage, like, final exam which you are going to appear in the final one, that is going to be your countable, right? So for that we are preparing all. So we all are preparing for that, and you might be, knowing, you might be, appearing for Olympiad exams as well, isn't it, if I'm not wrong? How many of you are appearing for that?
Piyush.
Sir, I am preparing.
Yeah, like many of you might be appearing for Olympiad exams, so that you can perform well in your Olympiad competitive exam as well. Is that clear? So, and one more advantage we have here, we can get that kind of, competitive spirit right now. From the ninth standard itself, we can get that kind of, competitive spirit. So which will be helpful for your 11th and 12th standard as well, when you are writing for your JE. Is that clear? Is that clear? That is the
Yes,
main
sir.
motive of, conducting all this stuff. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's get started with the Heron's formula. Let me show you one thing.
So which chapter we have for the test?
For test, probably you'll be having Heron's formula and triangles.
Sir,
So both.
Yes, both. Let's see what kind of questions I can give. You just prepare for the both chapters, no problem. What's going to happen? You prepare. If you're not getting
Yes,
good
sir.
marks, not an issue. Learn from the mistake is more important. See, I'll always request you all, don't run behind the marks. Don't run behind, comparing with other student. I'm not getting the marks, my friend is getting good marks. Don't compare like that. See, let me tell you a best example here. If you are comparing yourself, what does it mean? You are lacking yourself. You are, just backing yourself. You are just getting back yourself. You are creating that. Don't think in that. So look at this here. My friend is getting good marks. I should get good marks. For that, I should prepare. All right, my friend is getting good marks. Why I'm not getting? So for that, I'll be crying at home. For that, I'll be doing some, XYZ things which is not good for us. So that is not the case. You should not do that. You just prepare yourself. You just try to develop your concept. You just try to develop your concept. You just try to understand the concept. Even you get 2 marks out of 20, no one is going to ask you, no one is going to, scold you, no one is going to, punch you, isn't it? Is it clear? So the thing is, The motive is all about to improve ourselves. Improving ourselves is very most important thing, and learning from the mistakes is most important thing. And last but not least, I have assigned a worksheet to you all. I have assigned, not create. I didn't, in assignments, I have assigned it. I have assigned a worksheet where you can get a 40 problems, and you have 7 to 8 days of time. You have 8 days of time to finish. Like you have, look at this here. And guys, I told you to solve every day five problems, like from the audition, right? You just stop doing that. You just stop doing that. You start doing your worksheet problems. You understand what I'm trying to say here? I just
Tomorrow
assigned.
onwards my exam will start, sir.
Wait 1 second. Worksheet, I have given you 40 questions. 40 questions. 40 questions. And every day, I have given 8 days of time. So every day 5 questions. You understand my question? You understand my point here? So 40
Yes,
questions
sir.
I have assigned to you. So every day you have to solve 5 questions. So within 8 days you must submit. You must submit in the sense, sir won't look at the worksheet. So we won't be submitting, we won't be writing, and we won't be taking as a pictures and sending it to sir. That is not going to happen. See, you are going to assign a worksheet in your Google Classroom itself. You have to take your phone, mobile phone, or whatever the device you have with. So you just take a picture of that, scan it, make a PDF format. Just make a file as a PDF format and upload in the Google Classroom itself. You will get in, you'll be having an option called uploading the worksheet over there. Answers of worksheet. Scan it and upload the PDF answers PDF over there. Clear? Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So daily 5 questions, and after finishing these 5 questions, look at this. Tomorrow your homework is 1 to 5 questions of worksheet. Your homework is what? 1 to 5 questions of worksheet. 1 to 5 questions of worksheet. I have already assigned a worksheet to you all. So please go through that. Just now, just 10 to 15 minutes back, I have assigned you all. So please go through that. And if you find any difficulties, you leave that question. And let us say that 1 to 5 questions I asked you to do. Everyone should everyone should solve those 5 questions. If you are not getting those any 5 questions, you just mark that particular question. Let us all solve that particular question in your doubt session on Wednesday. You understand? You understand? And one more point is, if any one of you are not getting 5 questions, like if anyone, let us say that I asked you to solve 1 to 5. Let us say that third question you are not getting it. So just leave the third question, solve till 6th question. Solve till 6th question. So however you have to finish 5 problems. There is no excuse at all. There is not an excuse. Clear? There is no excuses at all. So sir has asked us to solve only 1 to 5 problems. So if I'm not getting third and fourth problem, so let us skip this. I will solve only 3 problems. That is not the case. I'm not going to accept like that. So if you're not getting 1 to 5, if you're not getting any questions between 1 to 5, then go for the next question. Then somehow you have to solve 5 questions. Somehow. Look at this. I asked you to solve 1 to 5. If you are not getting second and third, leave this question. Go for 6th and 7th. Solving 6th and 7th question. By solving 6th and 7th question, you can replace second and third one. Is that clear? You can replace second and third question over there, which means every day you are solving 5 questions. Somehow you have to solve 5 questions. You understand my point here? None of the children should be in a position that, sir, I didn't solve 5 questions. I solved only 3 questions. Why? Because I didn't get second and third question. That is what the reason I left that question. I'm not going to accept that kind of excuses. Please. You understand, children? You understand? Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
It is clear with everyone, I think so.
Yes,
And
sir.
one more thing, those who are having, if you have exams from your school side, you guys have to solve only 3 questions. For you, this is an excuse. I mean, this is a bumper offer, I would say. Is that
Yes,
Okay.
sir,
clear?
I'm having.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm
If you
having
have,
tomorrow. If
see,
you want, I
you
will
should,
attend
you
also.
should, everyone cannot say have exam. I don't believe that. Very less member might have.
Sir, if you want, I will have. I will
Yes,
show
sir.
the
Yeah,
timetable.
yeah,
No
I
problem.
can.
No. See, everyone cannot say the same answer, right? Everyone, few of you might be having, exams, but everyone cannot have it at a time, isn't
But
it?
actually, many of us are from CBSE background, right? So yeah, exams are being conducted.
Yeah, sir, we all CBSE will have all same time, sir. They won't have a
No,
different.
actually, we have
Mainly at
exams
same time they'll
every
have,
week.
sir. Maybe 2-3 days different, but they'll all have at same time.
Sir, I have exams every week, sir. Every Tuesday I have exam.
Okay.
So if one CBSE girl or boy will have, others all also will have, so for sure.
See, if you have exam, those who are having exam, please, you just be honest to yourself and solve 3 questions. Those who are not having exam, you can just go for 5 questions. Everyday basics. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, now let's go for the chapter called Heron's formula. You understand it? No doubts in solving the problems.
Sir,
No doubt solving
where
the.
have you posted the worksheet?
I have. Let me show you 1 second. Let me show you 1 second. Look at this. Look at this here. Look at this here. See here, you can just stream. In the stream, look at this now. If I go to classroom, classwork, you can see like separate section called worksheets. Is that clear? Can you able to see
Yes,
here?
sir.
Yes, sir.
If you triangle worksheet dated on 05/08/2021, if you click on this, look at this here. Look at this here. 1 second. Let me show you here. 0 turned in and 25 assigned, which means that has been assigned to 25 students. What is the 25 shows here? That
25
worksheet has
students.
been assigned to 25 children, which means everyone. It has been assigned to everyone. Those ever participated, those ever in the those ever having link with this Google Classroom, everyone can assign. Everyone can see that, and as soon as you are done with your worksheet, you can just take a picture and upload here itself. Look at this here. Look at this here. If I just look at this here, you can just upload here itself. None of you, Aditi, look at Akshit, everyone has been assigned. Everyone, it has been assigned to everyone. So you can just take a picture and upload here itself. All right, you will be getting an option called upload. Clear? After taking it, scan it, make it as a PDF format file, and then upload it. I'm not going to accept you simply I'm not going to accept you simply upload like 10 to 15 pictures like JPEG image. I'm not going to accept. Make it a file, scan it, make it a file, and like which means PDF format. I think none of the children who doesn't know about PDF. Everyone might be knowing that, isn't it?
Yes, sir, but I am not able to upload in Google Classroom.
You can upload it. You can have an option called uploading that. Didn't you find anything like uploading the file over there?
No, sir.
Hello. See here, you just look at that today after solving 5 questions. If you are not uploading it, after solving 5 questions, if you are not uploading it, if you are not able to uploading, you just text me. Do text me. Okay. And one more thing here. Every day 5. Maintain a separate notebook, as I told you. Maintain a separate notebook. Every day 5 questions. Today 1 to 5 questions you are going to solve, and from 6 to 10 questions you are going to continue from in that particular notebook itself. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And after finishing all these 40 questions, you are going to take up all these
Sir, your voice went. Sir.
children. I'm not sure. Look, I might be having some. I have some issue. I think so. So it is not. Yes. Can you able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chalo. Now, guys, we are going everywhere. We are going with a pakka plan here. Pakka plan. Is it clear? We are going with a pakka plan. So try to understand that. Sorry.
Sir, once can you admit me, sir?
Yes.
It will only 40 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
So Heron's formula. Just let us look at that. Heron's formula, not hero formula. Heron's. What is Heron formula? Basically, everyone might be knowing that. Basically, we should know that. We should know about first of all. All right. So now, what are the types of triangles based upon sides? We have how many triangles? Based upon sides, how many triangles we have here?
Equilateral triangle, scalene triangle.
The three triangles, sir.
Based upon
Isosceles,
sides, we have
equilateral,
equilateral,
isosceles,
Isosceles,
isosceles and scalene.
Isosceles, equilateral, scalene.
Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Is it clear? Based upon angles, how many types of triangles we have here?
3.
Acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle.
So acute angled triangle.
Right triangle.
Right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle.
And obtuse. Is that clear? So these are the things we have learned. Now, so we know that area of the triangle, basically area of the triangle, from the area of the triangle, what we have learned?
Half into base.
Area
Half
of a
into
triangle.
base into height.
Half into base into
Half
height.
into base into height.
Into height. Generally, we have found this, right? In case of equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle, if the length of the sides of the triangle given, we use Pythagoras theorem and apply it, isn't it? Now look at this here. First, let us know that area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle. All right. Area of equilateral triangle is what? Look at this here. For suppose, let me say the equilateral triangle means all sides will be equal here. Let us say that this is my A, this is my B, this is my C. If I draw a perpendicular, which makes D here, so that I can get, or less, so that I can get two triangles from here. Let us say we have the distance called A here. All right. Now I'm just proving you by using Pythagoras theorem. Look at this from triangle ADC. By using Pythagoras theorem, what can I write? From triangle ADC.
Sir, it's not pronounced as Pythagoras theorem.
Right.
Pronounced as Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras, like have been like studying like Pythagoras only. So no problem.
Sir, but some words that sound
No problem. AC square is equal to DC square. No problem. However you pronounce, but you should know the concept. That's the main important. Clear? Pythagoras theorem. You can just look at AC square is equal to DC square plus AD square, isn't it? Now from triangle ABD, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square, isn't it? Is that clear? Here, look at this here. What is BD here? A by 2. What is this here? A by 2. What is this side here? A. Equilateral triangle means all sides will be equal now. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All sides will be equal here. So now look at this here. Now substitute here. Let us substitute here. So AC is what here? What is AC? A square. DC is what here? A by 2 whole square plus AD is what here? AD is what here? A square. Now solve this. Now what are you going to get?
Sir, 3A root 3A by 4, sir.
A square by 4 plus A square. 1 second.
So,
We do not know here AD, right? We do not know AD. So AD we cannot take A here. AD we have to find out. AD I do not know. AD I do not know, no? AD square. So AD square. So AD is equal to what now? AD square is equal to A square minus A square by 4. So AD square is equal to what? So 4A square minus 1A square divided by 4, which means AD is equal to 3A square by 4. AD square is equal to. So which means AD is equal to what? Root 3A by 2. Is that clear?
yes, sir.
How many of you clear with this point?
Clear, sir.
Not clear, sir. 1 minute.
What?
Sir, 1 minute. I'm preparing. Means in that diagram part, I'm not understanding, sir.
What you did? Where you did not understand? Tell me.
This part, sir. How you got it? Okay. Now I.
Tell me.
Sir, this is
Now I got, sir. Now I got.
Sir, this is area of equilateral triangle formula derivation, no, sir?
Yeah, derivation I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
Look at it now. We know that. Look at this. I got AD value here. You can just take, you can substitute in this equation or this equation. You're going to get the same thing only. AD value, you're going to get the same thing only. You just try from this equation. You can take any one of the triangle here. Here we have two triangles, isn't it? Oh my goodness, 1 second. Here I have this triangle. Array, yeah. 1 second. I have here two triangles. Let us say this green color triangle and blue color triangle. You can just take, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem from any one of the triangle and get the AD value here. If I get AD value, what I got here? Root 3 by 2 into A. Now look at this. We know that area of the triangle formula is what? We know that area of the triangle is equal to what? Half into base into height, isn't it? Now look at this. From which triangle we have done here? From ADC triangle. From ADC triangle, we are solving, right? So ADC, so from ADC triangle, what is the base here? A by 2. What is the height here? What is the height I got here? What is the height I got? Tell me. I mean AD value, what I got here? Root 3 by 2
sir.
A. Look at this now. Base is what? A by 2. Height is what? Root 3 by 2 into A.
So why is AD equal to 3A? Shouldn't it be AD equal to root of 3A square?
Hello.
Yeah.
Look at this. AD is equal to square root of 3A square by
Okay,
4.
okay, got it, sir. Understood.
Look at this. Now, what can I do here now? Tell me now. So, root 3A square by, what is that? 8? 8, somewhere we made a mistake. Array, base into, what is base? Array, base, what is the base here? We are finding we are finding the, what do you call? We are finding the area of full triangle, not ADC triangle.
It should be then half into root 3.
A only, correct only.
Yes, sir.
We are solving the area of full triangle.
Then,
So
shouldn't it be like instead of half only?
Yes.
It should be 1.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No. It can't be 1. No, half. We are half in the sense we are not half. We are not assigning it a half triangle. Half is for full triangle. That is a formula. Half into base into height for full triangle. Half into base into height is for half triangle, and another half is not. That is the case.
No, sir. I mean ADB and ADC, sir. They both have equal areas, right?
Sorry.
Sir, are ADB and ADC having equal areas?
Of course. Look at this here. AD is a common, and AB and AC both will be equal, and BC will be equal. Look at this here.
Yes, sir.
Here.
Then sir, shouldn't it be like ADB into 2, like area of ADB into 2, or ADC into 2? So that's what I was saying. Like we can directly.
You can do that. You can do that. If you do so, what are you going to get? See here, why? Because why it will be equal? Tell me why it will be equal. Why? Because AB, AC will be equal, of course, and BD is equal to DC here, of course. So of course you are right. Whatever you said, that 2 times of area of triangle ABD, then you will get. That is also correct.
Yes, sir.
Now
I
instead
thought
of
you
doing
that,
as we know that area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. As I know that I'm finding area of an equilateral triangle, so that I'm finding area of equilateral triangle, so that we have taken half into base into height. So after taking, like, I need to find AD value here. For finding area of the triangle, what I need base and height. I know base value, I don't know height value. For finding height value, I just took one triangle, I substituted here by using Pythagoras theorem. I got AD value. After that, later on, I just substituted here. This is my area of the equilateral triangle right now. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So therefore,
so that time I thought you're taking ADC or ADB as area and then you're multiplying it by 2. So that's why.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Nothing, sir.
Is that clear, or is it clear with you? Is it clear with you now?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yeah. Chalo. Now area of isosceles triangle. Can you prove this area of? Can you take it as a homework, or like let us prove? Let me write. Without proof itself, we can write area of an isosceles triangle means what? Two sides should be equal, right? Let us say that now. This is A, this is B, this is C. Height I do not know. Let us say B. Here this and this will be equal. Clear? And other side will be different. So let us
So
take
one
this is
doubt.
some. This is base B. So this is B by 2. Yes, Piyush, Sujay, 1 second.
Okay.
All right. Let us say this is some A here again. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, in
This
the
is my height.
previous one,
Hmm.
area of equilateral triangle, A value will be either side. This side also
Of
A, that
course.
side also A.
Both three side, man. Equilateral means upper side and down both
sir.
sides. Three sides. AB, AC, BD. Sorry, DC, BC.
Any of them
AB.
can be taken.
Look at this here. AB is equal.
Yes, sir, that I got. So any of them we can take value.
Any of them we can. I didn't get you. What is any of them?
AB, BD. I mean AB, BC, CA. Any of them we can take, right?
See, if you know one value, which means in a equilateral triangle, all sides will be equal. So if you know one side, you can just assign a value of other sides, isn't it? You understand
Yes,
my
sir.
point?
Yes, sir.
So he has given. Let us say that BC is equal. Let BC is equal to A. If BC is equal to A, AB and AC both will be A only. Is
Okay,
that clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
That's what I have done. So here also same thing, guys. Same thing. You take one triangle here. So substitute area of the equilateral triangle. What are you going to get? Tell me, any one of you. Area. Tell me.
Okay.
You just try it home. Area of equilateral triangle is going to be. Look at this. Is equal. A is equal.
Sir, equilateral triangle or
It's isosceles.
Isosceles triangle, not
Isosceles.
equilateral. Base into square root of.
So is it for isosceles?
Yes, isosceles, not for equilateral. Is that clear? Now shall we prove how? Look at this here. See here, for finding, I know that formula is what? Area of any triangle is what? Half into base into height, right? I know base here. I know base value. Base value is what here? B only. So I know base value here. If you don't understand like this, half into base into height, right? I know base value. Half into base value is what? B. I do not know height value. I do not know height value. Height value we have to find out. How can I find out height value? By using Pythagoras theorem. You can take any one of the triangle. Let us say I'm taking this green color triangle. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. Find out the AD value, which means height value. Substitute in this equation. You will get area of the triangle of any area of any isosceles triangle. Is that clear? Any doubts? Any
So
doubts?
was this area is equal to 1/4 into B into root 4A square minus B square? Like I didn't get
1
this.
second. I think look at this here. Let me prove it. You are confusing so much. Look at this. No problem. Look at this here. You take from triangle ABD. What is AB square here? AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Isn't it? Is it clear? AB square means what?
Yes, sir.
A square. BD square means what? B square by 4 is equal to AD square. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
AD square
sir.
is equal to 4A square minus B square by 4.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So AD is equal to
Yes,
what?
sir.
Square root of 4A square minus B square divided by
4.
Divided by what? 2.
4.
Huh?
Okay.
Square root, man.
Yes,
If
sir.
I just assign square to entire thing, what I'm going to
Yes,
get?
sir.
2. Isn't it? Is that clear?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, how you got this 4A squared, sir?
4 is LCM da. Re, Tambi. LCM tambudu. 4 square minus B square.
Okay. LCM.
After taking LCM, I got that. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Ayo, Rama
Yes, sir.
ji, Krishna ji, look at this.
Okay, sir.
4a square minus b square by 4. Like that.
Yes,
So,
sir.
sir, but isosceles triangle we took half into base into root 4a square by square minus b square you took na sir formula.
Look at this, not formula. Don't remember like that. Try to understand the concept.
Yes,
See
sir.
here, equilateral triangle means all sides will be equal. So I'm
Yes.
choosing, like I choose this, blue color triangle here. This blue color triangle. I choose this blue color triangle. After choosing this blue color triangle, what I got to know? I got to know the AD value as this much. Root 3 by 2 into a I got. Is it clear? Now, so I got this one. So area of the triangle is what now? Area of any triangle. Area of any triangle formula is what?
Root
There is
3
no,
is
doesn't matter that.
half
Area
into
of any
base
triangle
into.
is that. Half into base into height. So I know base value here. Height value I found out, which is AD. AD
Yes,
means
sir.
height only, no?
Yes,
So I
sir.
substituted there. I got this area of equilateral triangle. Now look at this here. Area of isosceles triangle means what? Two sides will be equal here. Here AB and AC will be equal.
Yes,
Here,
sir. Yeah,
AB
sir.
and AC will be equal. And
Yes.
BC will be different here. All right. So now I just took BD, AD as H value. After that AD,
Yeah.
I got this one. Now look at this here. AD means what here? This is height only, no?
Yeah.
So area of
Yes, sir. I understood. But what is the total formula we should take? Half into base into
area of an
isosceles triangle is half into
is equal to what? Half into base. Base is what here? B only. Height
B
is
only.
what I got? This is height.
Root
Isn't
4
it?
square minus b square by 2. But we are not taking 2 now. So that is it.
Look at this now. What can I write now? What can I write? So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into base into.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Sorry?
Sir, we can cut root and square root.
How can you cancel this one you are saying?
Yes, sir.
You cannot cancel like that. If you have whole square, then only you can cancel out. If you have something like 4a minus b whole square, if I have something like, then I can cancel. Individual squares you cannot cancel.
Okay.
So
So
one
can
doubt.
you,
One out.
Yes.
So
So like can't we simplify 4a square minus b square as
Yes, sir.
4a
You
minus
can do 2a whole square, right?
plus
Yes, sir. 2 and then
a plus b into a
2a?
minus.
Sorry?
2 is.
See, what is the point?
So we can,
One second.
sir, can we simplify 4a square minus b square by using a minus b whole square, sir?
How can you simplify that?
I the same thing.
How
Sir,
can you
we
simplify?
can cut 2
4a square
and
minus
2
b
twos
square
are.
we can use, right, sir? 4a square is just 2a square and 2a square minus b square. 2a minus b whole square.
You can use it, you can simplify further, but what I'm asking here is, what is the point of simplifying it? No problem, let it be like that. See here, even you simplify the problem, the formula will get somewhat bigger. You won't get, you won't get any single answer over there. The answer will be like that one. Look at this, let me show you. 1 by 4 into b into, you are saying that let us write this as 2a whole square, sir, then b square, sir. So it will be written as 2a plus b into 2a minus b. After this, what will you do? Tell me.
No, sir, like
Problem.
if we have a and b's values in like numbers, then
If you have a and b values, that is a simple thing. No need of going for this. It is it makes you so much of confusion again for making the calculation. Here itself you substitute a and b values, get the answer. That's all. Clear?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
why you are
Can you
making a-
explain this with an example by taking numerals?
Definitely definitely will solve multiple examples. Don't worry. First, let us finish all these formulas.
So one
Let us
doubt.
yes.
How did you classify that AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square?
Sorry.
So at the starting you wrote no, sir. AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. How did you?
That is by Pythagoras theorem, man.
Okay, sir, got it.
That is the entire concept is about Pythagoras theorem.
Okay,
Again,
sir,
you are
okay,
asking
sorry.
same. No problem. By Pythagoras theorem. Is that clear? All right. Now area of triangle, what we have found, tell me. Area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. Area of equilateral triangle is what?
root
This
3a
root
square by
3 a square by 4. Area of isosceles triangle is what? 1 by 4 into b into square root of 4a square minus b square. Now area of a triangle by using Heron's formula is what? That is the concept of this class. Area of a triangle by Heron. Basically, Heron's formula tells us, look at this, if I have some triangle, let us say this is A, B, C. I have a different side, let us say A, B, C. Clear? I have formula for equilateral isosceles. If I have scale and triangle, all sides are different. Then what is the area? Then we can use Heron's formula. Is that clear? Why do we use Heron's formula here? If we have different sides. Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at this here. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC.
So
Given
basically
side-
all the previous ones, if we don't know the height of a triangle and we know the sides, that's when we can use the other ones. Area of isosceles triangle, the formulas which you gave.
Yes, if you know all the sides, then you can use Heron's formula. If you know any one side, look at this here. If you know only one side and he's saying that given triangle is equal to a triangle, then you can find out area by using this formula. If
So
you know,
once we are done with formula discussion, can you tell a question on that?
definitely, you know, what is the
Okay,
point
sir.
of solving? Without solving question, we cannot understand anything. We will solve, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
We will solve, don't worry. Cool. Now you are understanding, right? See, if you have different sides, look at this here. If you have equal sides, everyone look at this. If you have equal sides, which formula I should use for finding area? Equilateral triangle formula. Look at this one.
Formula.
If I have two sides equal and one is different, which means isosceles formula I should use. If I have all sides different, then Heron's formula. We'll see that. Basically, first we have to use what is the semi-perimeter of this?
Sir,
What is
S into S minus A plus S minus B into S.
No.
A plus B plus C by 2.
A plus B plus
Two
C by 2.
semi-perimeter means half.
by 2.
A plus B plus C by 2. So how many of you know that? Without proof you have to learn actually. Without proof, you know, the syllabus is being given. No proof is not required for your current, exam portion. So they told us to let us not go for the proof. So without proof only we have to go for this. So look at this here. So what is the area of the formula? Tell me. You might be knowing that.
Root
Square
S
root of-
minus root S into
S into
S minus A.
minus A
what is S
Root to
here?
S minus B.
What is here?
A plus B plus C by 2.
S is
Where
Half of the
perimeter
of triangle.
semi-perimeter.
S is equal
Semi-perimeter.
perimeter.
where A, B, C are sides of
perimeter.
triangle.
Semi-perimeter of triangle, which means
A plus B plus C by 2.
plus C by 2.
So when did you discuss this?
Now,
Sorry?
No,
Now only
this
I'm
thing.
discussing. This
Then
thing I never
everyone
discussed.
was answering this.
Then they might have done in their school.
yes,
sir.
we have done in 8th standard only, sir. I have done in 8th standard.
We have done 9th standard. Sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem.
Okay, standard also it was there.
Okay. So now we have done with the concept. So we didn't get much time of to solve the questions. I thought of solving the
Yes, sir.
questions, but
It's 6:15.
let us go with the questions. In next class. So I have class for your seniors right now. I have to go for that.
So
let
when
me-
are we going to have the quizzes from tomorrow?
Yes, from tomorrow
So
onwards.
can you
from the
once
next
show the
class.
formula for the
Okay,
area
sir.
of triangle Heron?
Don't worry. I'll share this notes. Susan, why you are worrying this much? I don't understand.
Sir,
This
is
is
chapter over?
No, this chapter didn't over. We just done with only 2 to 3 problems, 2 to 3 formulas. That's all. We have to
Okay, sir,
solve
bye.
questions. We
Bye,
have to
sir.
solve the questions. And tomorrow, Tosnika and
Tayaba.
Tayaba going to make 6 questions, 3 questions. Clear?
Sir, we can take from any
Only
Triangle
Hello.
chapter, but any question?
Any question? Triangle chapter, any questions from the
See, I
topic?
think you said wherever we're lagging. Not any question, but wherever we find it.
Any
hard.
questions? That is what. Any questions wherever you are lacking.
Okay, sir.
Any questions from the chapter wherever you are lacking. Clear?
Okay, sir.
It doesn't mean that any question means 2 plus 3 is equal to sir. How much, sir? That is not the
Sure,
case.
sir.
You cannot create that kind of silly questions, isn't it? Chalo guys, let's retire now. We'll meet in the next
Bye,
session.
sir.
Goodbye.
Thank you,
Next
sir.
session, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank
I'll be
you,
sharing
sir.
these notes. I'll be sharing these notes to everyone. Don't
Okay,
worry,
sir.
Sujay.
Okay, sir.
You can just go through that. Thank you. Bye bye.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes,
Retired.
we'll retire. Shall we retire now? Let's retire. Let's retire means let's wind up.
Retired, sir. Retired. We will retire. We will retire from
Bye
our
bye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you,
Sir,
sir.